Squad! I'm Francisco Pedrosa.
And I'm Randolph Pedrosa.
Alright, we're both from Dove Science Academy and we're both in the 11th grade. In this video, we will demonstrate what our project, the Energy Stick, is about. Alright, so the Energy Stick is a great tool for understanding the science and the comprehension on how circuits work and how they affect us on our daily lives.
The energy stick consists of 2 open circuits on each side of the stick.
So the Energy Stick and how it works. The Energy Stick consists of 2 open circuits on each end, one right here and one right here. The way it works is that one hand and the other hand will be placed on the other end, and it makes the science happen. The way it works is that the open circuits are now closed because we put our hands on them. Same for this one. It has 2 open circuits, one right here and one right here. You close them and it lights up. Now to talk about our favorite part, our ELA components. Alright guys, so pretty much how we get the Energy Stick to work is because we are conductors. Energy passes from one hand to our next hand through our whole body. Pretty much this works because the Energy Stick is made up of 2 open circuits, and as soon as we close them, energy passes, like I said, through one hand and through the other. Our ELA components, pretty much, it was a journal entry throughout the whole time period. We updated the journal every week on what we did throughout that week. And for our SS components, we just did the historical background about the Energy Stick. Now for the SS components. My boy Randall was going to take care of this one.
So for the SS component, basically it's explaining how the energy stick is seen across the world. It can be seen many ways. 1 as a toy and 2 as a tool. It can be seen as a toy because people, play with it, lights up, and they have fun. But it could also be seen as a tool because it could be used to see the open circuits if they're open or closed.
That's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. I greatly appreciate it. We'll see y'all later.
And remember to smash that like button.
Oh, yeah.
And subscribe. Feel free to leave comments, anything. I appreciate it. I will read it. Thank you.